Hello guys, hello. So if you're watching this video and then you find value in this video, please, I want you to click on the subscription button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the notification button so that when we make videos, you'll be able to see it, and most importantly, also share the videos. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel, understand, make us hit a 1,000 subscribers if you're finding value in our content. Okay, if you find value in our content, so subscribe. So recently I found out that there's been some changes on the Facebook platform. Over time, Facebook continues to evolve. If you go to the business settings, you will see that there are changes over time. The way the audience insight tool was before is no longer the way it is. Like this audience, if you come to this hamburger here, audience insight tool, this wasn't the way it was before. But all those things, they have what changed. Look at where audience insight is right now. If you want to test audience, know the audience you need to what target. All right, you come here, audience insight. It gives you insight of the people you want to target. Are they actually living in your country? Do they actually what exist? What is their habit? What is their behavior? What do they like to do? Understand? So recently I just found out that some certain things have changed. So I'm going straight to my ad account, and then I'm going to show us something. Let me click on what create. So if you are a newbie, this video might get you confused. If you are new, this video might get you confused. My videos are usually simple and short. All right, simple. They are usually simple. So if you are a newbie, all I need you to do is just to get my Facebook ad like a pro course. I will drop the link below. It's just 2,000 naira, so that you can be up to speed. All right, it will teach you most of the things you need to know on Facebook advertisement. No one course on Facebook advertisement will be less than $1,000 or $500. That is just the gospel truth. So you continue to buy and then you improve. All right, so it's just 2,000 naira. And for those of you who already got my course, I'm going to also post this video in my group so that you see the changes I'm talking about. Now, these are all campaign objectives. Please listen carefully. These are all campaign objectives. Of course, I've already explained what these all campaign objectives are. Now, if you're trying to run a Facebook ad now, you will realize that in these campaign objectives recently, there are some conversion events that you can't do. There are some conversion events you can't do. For example, let me go to what sales conversion. All right. Let me click on what continue. This video is not to teach you how to run Facebook advert. It's just to tell you the updates that has happened in the business account platform of Facebook. All right, so these are the normal three interface: the campaign level, the ad set level, and the AdWord level. All right, so I think this is not where we have the issue. From ad set, look at the ad set here. I'm going to show us something. I need you to follow me. I've clicked the ad set. Now, if you look at the ad set now, look at conversion events. If I go here now, you will see that there are some conversion events that are no longer here. As you can see, we can't, it said this conversion, look at the right hand side. This conversion event is only available with leads and engagement. You see, this conversion is only available with leads and engagement objective. So this conversion is available with leads objective. So the objective you're choosing, there are different conversion events, so you need to take that into what consideration. If you're running a sales campaign, you know that you can optimize for what leads. You can optimize for leads here. It's very, very what important that you note that. So check the campaign objectives, know the conversion event that works, so that you can be able to optimize very well the conversion event, so that your pixel can pick properly what you want it to pick. All right. Now, if you go below here, based on the location here, on location, not detailed targeting, location. Where is location? Okay, location here, you can see that something has also changed on what location. Before now, we could target people who are in our country alone, and not people who came to the country and left. All right, hold on guys. But right now that option is off. All right, as you can see, if we click on edit here, as you can see here, now you can see people living in or recently in this location. As you can see, it says all location targeting will now reach people living in or recently in the location you select. The other options have been removed, so you won't have to select a type of location targeting here. As you can see, this has also changed. Before now, we could target people who are living only in this location. What this simply means is that now if someone came back from US, for example, to Nigeria, and then stayed in Nigeria for 2-3 weeks, the person leaves for US, that means your advert will also get to the person will see it. But before, we saved costs and target people who are only people living in this location only. But here now, this has what changed. I don't think there's any other thing that changed here. If we go to manual placement, everything is just the way it's supposed to be, where we can change device, where we can change all device, we can change to phone, and the rest of everything is okay here. Now another place is the ad level. Let's go to the ad level. Let's go to the ad level. Now if you go to the ad level, please follow me carefully. If you go to the ad level, before now we could optimize events here. We could optimize events to track. All right, we could optimize events to track iOS users who opted out. That's iPhone users who opted out. But right now you don't need to optimize events again. Let me show you what I mean. Let me go over to this our business settings. Go to this place and then click on Events Manager, right? Let me open it in new tab. Click on Events Manager. So I'm clicking on Events Manager. It's opening. Let's wait for it to open. My network has been very bad, so let's wait for it to open. Okay, it's opening. Now, before now, we could optimize events. All right. So before now, let's go to here, manage, prioritize events. Here, I'm clicking this place. Now, those of you who have my course, you already know all this. All right, let me click here. As you can see, it's saying my page is no longer accessible. You no longer need to set up and prioritize web events for aggregated event management. So this page is no longer available. Now, if you click on Learn More, let's click on Learn More and see what it's telling us. Remember, we could optimize up to 8 events before now. We could optimize up to 8 events. All right. So what it's telling us is that Meta's aggregate event measurement is a protocol that allows for measurement of web and app events from people using iOS 14.5 and later devices. We are gradually introducing updates to aggregated event measurement for website events. Learn more. You understand? So what this is telling us is that you no longer need to begin to optimize events. All right. You no longer need to. So take time and read this event. Take time and read it. So it's where I'm interested is here. Is here. Here are the changes you see when you have access. That is, you remember when we went here. All right. We couldn't see the aggregated events before. Remember I told us before now, we could optimize 8 events. We could optimize 8 events. You understand? We could optimize 8 events. But it's telling us now, you no longer need to prioritize 8 conversion events per domain for web conversion optimization. And you don't need to turn on value sets in order to use value optimization. The aggregated event management tab in Meta Event has been removed because you no longer need to configure your web events. Guys, you can see what I'm talking about. You no longer need to configure it. So those are the changes. You no longer need to cultivate. So the aggregate event management in Meta Events has been removed because you no longer need to configure your web event. You aren't required to verify your website domains for purpose related to event configuration. So they are also telling us that you even don't need to verify your domain. Guys, you aren't required to verify your website domain for purpose related to event configuration. However, you may still need to verify your domain for other reasons. So you can, when you use your domain verification, you can learn more. But I will advise you to always verify your domain, even though they say you may not need to verify your domain. Verify your domain. Verify your domain. So these are the changes here. So you no longer need to prioritize those 8 events that we do before. You no longer need to do that. You no longer need to do that. So if I go to this place now, data sources, all right. I go to data sources. Now, all you need to do right now is this. This is what you need to do. Now, for you to be able to set conversion events, look at here right now. Remember, we are here. Where is this things going to? No. Okay. Let me bring this here. All right. So, remember here, for conversions, come here. Let me show you something. Remember here, you need to set up conversion event. Now, it is this conversion event is very, very important because that is what you tell your pixel to do. So what you need to do now, since we don't have a prioritization of events, all you need to do right now is just when you come to your the overview here, all you need to do is for the web page you want to target, for the web page you want to use and run your advert, you just come and add the event here. Just add the event. You don't need to prioritize again. Just add the event. So if you click here from Pixel, that's how I run mine from Pixel. So come here. Remember, I came to data sources. When I came to data sources, I came to overview. When I came to overview, I came to add events. That's why I said this is not for beginners. All right, people who already bought my course know what I'm talking about, so you can still get the course. All right, and then if you're finding value, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification button so that you can get more content when I post them. So if you click from Pixel, now all you need to do is just to open event setup tool. Once that opens, you click on it, and then the website, the web page you want to use for your advert on Facebook or whatever the web page you want to use. Let me go and get this web page. This is the web page I want to use. This is the web page for this advert I'm running. I'll copy it and paste it here. All right, and then you click on open website. All right, once you click on open website, you now prioritize the events you want here. All right, something will open up right here. Okay, it has opened. Then you can optimize the events you want. All right, you can optimize the event you want. So remember, when you are optimizing the event you want, remember the campaign objective that works for that conversion. It is very important that you remember the campaign objective that works for this. Like here now, I've done view content and also what lead. Those are the two that I need. So we don't need to begin to optimize again. So since I've done this lead, remember that once I come here now, once I'm here, all right, so what means I want to run a lead campaign. If I come to lead, that means my campaign objective will be what? For conversion. This is lead. As you understand what I'm saying now, my campaign conversion will be now, this conversion is only available with leads. So I'm going to run a lead event for me to be able to do this. That is what I'm going to do. So these are just the changes that Facebook have done, and they will continue to do changes. Thank God this iOS stuff, they have taken care of it. It's even very, very good. So you can track them, but make sure you verify your domain and also come here and set up your event, and then use your Pixel to target them. I don't think there's anything I'm forgetting. So if you found value in this course, if you found value in this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg, subscribe to the YouTube channel and also share it. All right, so that people who don't know about this update, so that they don't mess up their ad account, who don't know about this update can also know about it. All right, so if you also need my Facebook Ad Like a Pro course, I will leave the link below this video. You can click on it. Just 2,000 naira for now. The course is loaded, and then you will understand everything that I'm saying. Remember to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.